Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about which branch to choose in your engineering in 2023. So before starting the video, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so you'll be getting notification whenever we upload a new video. So let's start the video. So as you can see, these are the branches which are the most demanding branches in India. There are some other branches also which will be provided by some engineering colleges, but they are not the most demanding in India. They are demanding in other countries. So in this video we will be talking only the most demanding branches in India. So the first branch we have is the computer science and engineering. As you all know, computer science and engineering is most demanding in this century because of its placements, growth in the IT companies, growth in the technologies. So if you have a particular interest in programming or in the technology, then you can choose this branch. Or if you want placement into the top 5 companies, then you can choose computer science and engineering branch. The second branch we have is the information science and technology or information technology branch. So these branches are also the most demanding, but they are not provided by most of the engineering colleges. You can find these branches in the top colleges in Karnataka. Then they will be providing these branches to you. So these are also the best branches and you will get a high placement in these branches in the top 5 companies. So the third branch we have is the electronics and communication. Electronics and communication mainly deals with the electronics things or hardwares or circuits. And if you have interest in the circuits or hardware in hardware designing, then you can go for this branch. And also you will be getting a good placement in electronics and communication also. Fourth that is the electrical and electronics branch. So electrical and electronics mainly deals with the electrical circuits or electric machines, EV vehicles, these all things. And if you have interest in these things, then you can go for the electrical and electronics. Electrical and electronics is also providing a very good placement in the companies like Daimler Trucks. We have Mercedes-Benz or other companies. So it also provides you a good placement into the FAG companies. The fifth branch we have is the mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering deals with mainly the machines or vehicles, the engines, these all things. Then if you have interest in the mechanical engineering like in the machines, then you can go for mechanical engineering branch. The placement, if you see, there are not much placement in mechanical engineering in India, but you can go to some core companies like Tata Consultancy, we have Cognizant, etc. The sixth branch we have is the civil engineering. Civil engineering mainly deals with the buildings or with the dams, etc. And you can go for this branch if you have interest in building things or you have the interest in the estate agencies, then you can go for civil engineering branch. Seventh we have the aeronautical engineering. Aeronautical engineering mainly deals with the aeronautical parts of aeroplanes, the engine of aeroplane or the other parts of the aeroplanes. So if you have interest in aeroplane, then you can go for aeronautical engineering branch. So the aeronautical engineering is not provided by most of the engineering colleges, but in the top colleges you will be getting this branch. Eighth branch we have chemical engineering. Chemical engineering mainly deals with the chemicals, different types of chemicals. You can work into laboratories, you can be a scientist in the future. So if you want to be a scientist in the future or if you have a particular interest in the chemical engineering, then you can go for the chemical engineering branch. So these are the top branches which are the most demanding in India in this century. So you can choose these branches through Kcet in the engineering colleges in Karnataka. Now let us talk about if you want the placement in the good IT companies, then go for first 4 branches, that is computer science and engineering, information science or information technology, electronics and communication or electrical and electronics. So if you study these 4 branches, then aram se you will be getting into the top companies as well. But your college matters, the number of companies come to your college also matters. So try to get into the top colleges, top engineering colleges, the top 10 colleges which are there in Karnataka. So if you get into the top 10 colleges with these first 4 branches, then you will be getting a very good placements. Now if you want to work in the business field, you want to do a particular business, then you can go for mechanical engineering, civil engineering, aeronautical or chemical. You can go to any of the colleges in these branches. because you are interested to do in business. But if you want to get a good placement with a good package, then your college as well as your branch matters. So the first four branches are best for the placements, that is the computer science, information science, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics. Okay, so these are the top branches in Karnataka. So if you find this video interesting, then please like and also subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.